Chakra Healing Guided Meditation. Allow your eyes to comfortably close. Come down into your breath, into your body, relaxing your belly, softening your mind. Feel the support beneath you. Connect with the ground below and let it take your weight. Become aware of the sounds around you. Let them be there. Notice the light and shade, the air touching the surface of your body. Sense the sky above and the horizons stretching all the way around you, the earth below supporting you. Allow your mind to empty what it no longer needs to hold on to. Let it go. Flow out and away. Allow your body to release what it no longer needs to hold on to. Let it go. Flow out and away. Draw yourself back from where you've been in your day. Draw your energies back home to your center. Ground yourself in this moment, here. Begin to sense the space around you. Breathe with the space and become aware of the rise and fall of your breath. It's coming and going. The sensation, sound, temperature. Breathe down to where the weight of your body rests, below the base of your spine, your root chakra. Breathe into your root. Let it soften and gently expand on your breath, taking in nourishment and life force energy. Allow your root to connect down to the ground below, deep into the earth, and invite in the color red, the color of the earth. Bathe your root chakra with red, empowering, embodying, grounding you in the here and now. Let your root take what it needs and say the words, I am here. I have a right to be here as I am. The earth supports me. When you are ready, allow your awareness to move up to your belly, just below your navel, to your sacral chakra, your chakra of emotional intelligence, choice, creativity, movement, and pleasure. Breathe into your sacral chakra. Let it gently soften and expand on your breath, taking in nourishment and life force energy. Invite in orange, the color of the setting sun. Bathe your sacral chakra with orange, balancing, empowering, motivating. Let your chakra be fed and say the words, I honor my needs. I allow myself to be nourished. And when you're ready, move your awareness up to the soft area below your breastbone to your solar plexus, your chakra of personal power. Breathe into here, allowing your solar plexus to soften and expand on your breath. And invite in the color yellow, the color of sunshine. Bathe your solar plexus with sunshine, replenishing, restoring, nurturing. Letting your solar plexus take what it needs. As you say the words, I value myself. I am enough. I am more than enough. I am worth my weight in gold. When you are ready, bring your awareness up to the center of your chest, to your heart chakra, your chakra of self-development and unconditional love. Gently breathe into your heart chakra, letting it soften and expand on your breath. And invite in green, the color of spring, or rose pink, whichever feels right. Bathe your heart center with nourishment, renewal, healing. Let your heart take what it needs and say the words, I am greatly loved. I allow myself to give and receive love freely. I am nourished by the power of love. In your own time, move up to your neck, to your throat chakra, your chakra of self-expression and personal will. Allow your throat chakra to soften, expand, and breathe. Inviting in blue, the color of sky. Breathe sky into your throat center, clearing, opening, softening the need for control, freeing self-expression and creativity. Let your throat chakra take what it needs. And say the words, I hear and speak my truth. I express myself freely. I allow myself to go with the flow of life. When you are ready, take your focus up to your forehead, between your eyebrows, to your third eye, your chakra of wisdom and intuition. Gently allowing it to soften, expand, and breathe. Inviting in indigo, the velvety color of night sky. Bathe your third eye chakra with indigo, soothing, balancing, bringing clarity, insight, and understanding. Let your third eye take what it needs. And say the words, everything is unfolding as it should. Moving up in your own time to the top of your head, to your crown, your chakra of oneness, allowing your crown chakra to breathe. And gently invite in a light violet, softly bathing your crown chakra, balancing, restoring, harmonizing. Let your crown take what it needs. And say the words, I am one with the universe. I am one with the whole. When you're ready, come back to yourself as a whole, back to the ebb and flow of your breath, back to your center. Breathe into your core. Then say the words, I am whole. I am perfect just as I am. Allow the energy of the words to bathe your body, mind, emotions, spirit, and take what you need. And in your own time, become aware of the air on the surface of your body, the sounds around you, near and in the distance. Close your chakras down a little. Just having the intention is enough. Become aware of the support beneath you. Notice how you feel. And hold yourself with loving kindness for the beautiful, unique being that you are. When you're ready, you can draw this meditation to a close. Namaste.